This is going to be a quick video just to talk about how we write what the derivative is. You may be thinking from the last video, well, we know how to write the derivative. It's the limit as h approaches 0, etc., which is true. But we're going to want to be able to refer to the derivative directly without writing down its limit definition. And there are two ways to do this because two people argued over how to do calculus, Newton and Leibniz in the late 1600s. And they each have their own notation, and each notation is useful. So unfortunately, unlike say addition, where we use the symbol plus, there are actually going to be two ways to write the derivative. It's a little bit like multiplication. When you first learned to use multiplication with the times symbol, the x symbol like this, and then later you used a dot, and then later you might just write down two letters next to each other, and that would indicate multiplication. In any case, Newton's notation is f prime of x. So it's just, if you were to type it, it would just be an f followed by an apostrophe or a single quote. However, we say prime, and f prime of x is the derivative of f of x. That's Newton's notation. Leibniz's notation is df dx. It looks like a fraction. It's not really a fraction, or maybe it is. It sort of depends on your perspective. But in any case, there's a little bit more going on. I mean, there's a fraction in the limit definition, but what's important is that you know that both of these are notations for the derivative. So if you see this in a problem and it says, f prime of x is 4x, then you know that the derivative is 4x. Or alternately, it could say df dx is 4x.